Question 1. Ryan is X, Peter is twice this age, and Amy is 4 years younger. The total of their ages is 4x minus 4, and that's equal to 36. Adding 4 to both sides gives you 4x equals 40, x equals 10. Question 2, multiplying out the bracket gives 6p minus 3 equals 15. Add 3 to both sides gives 6p equals 18. Divided by 6 gives you p equals 3. Taking 4x off both sides leaves you with 18. It's equal to 2x minus 3. Add 3 to both sides gives you 21 is equal to 2x. X is therefore equal to half of 21, which is 10.5. Question 3, square, subtract, square root, which gives you 5.3 rounded to 1 decimal place. Question 4, 4 lots of 2.5 litres is 10 litres, and 6 lots of 1.5 litres is 9 litres. Both of these are more than the 8 litres you want. So multiply 1495 by 4, gets you the final price, 59.80, and 795 times by 6 plus the VAT gives you 57.24, so therefore Timberland is cheaper. Question 5, work out the volume of the hole, work out the volume of the box, find the difference. Answer 984 centimetres cubed. Question 6, answer 228,000. Question 7, as you can see, are reflected in the line y equals 1 first, then reread the question. Using trial and improvement, 5.2 was too big, 5.1 was too small, 5.15 was too small, so the best answer is 5.2 rounded to 1 decimal place. Best way to show this is by using a number line like this. Question 9, state the volume of a cylinder, show that 2 litres is 2,000 centimetres cubed, substitute this into the formula, rearrange it, and it works out as 62.83 rounded to 2 decimal places. Question 10, trigonometry question. Label the sides, so the height, the top of the parallelogram is 4, the longest side is the hypotenuse, so you're going to use sin, rearrange the equation to make h the formula, and you get 11.70 rounded to 2 decimal places. Don't forget the units. Question 11, subtract m cubed from both sides, divide by 2, cube root, m equals the cube root of p divided by 2. Question 12, identify the tolerances of the weight and the volume. You recall the formula, density equals mass divided by volume. Finding the minimum, so you want the smallest on the top, the largest on the bottom. Work it out, round it off, gives you 0.815 grams per centimetres cubed to 3 decimal places. Question 13, label the sides, factorise x squared minus 1, difference of 2 squares, so this gives you the, compare them, identify the scale factor, which is x plus 1, square it, give the area factor x squared plus 2x plus 1, then look at the information that DEF is 5x squared plus 10x plus 5, factorise out the 5, divide by the area factor, this proves therefore that the ABC triangle is 5 centimetres squared. Question 14, substitute the value for y. Notice it's not y squared, so it just forms a quadratic. Take away 18 from both sides to make it equal to 0. Factorise it. State the solutions. X equals negative 5 and x equals 3. And use these back in y equals 2x plus 3. It's this one here. And you see when x is minus 5, it gives you y is minus 7. When x is 3, it gives you y is 9. First of all, establish the proportion, f is inversely proportional to x, then state it as an equation with k in, then substitute the values in for f and x, and establish that k is 15. Then substitute k, and you're given that x is 30 in the next part of the question, into the equation you've formed, giving you 15 over 30, so f is 0.5.